So today, guys, I'm gonna be telling you guys who I sound like. In real life, exactly. No, this is kind of like my real voice, but I do have many more voices.
Goo.
Yeah, and if you guys know this girl named Celia or whatever, the girl that made a song like 11 years ago and 10 years ago, 9.
9 to 11 years ago.
How are you smarter than me, but you're older than me? But you're smaller than me?
Goo.
Wait, how do you even speak in life?
I don't know.
You're a little puppy. You're a doggy.
I'm a doggy, exactly.
But if you guys have heard this song, if you guys have heard the song go like, what is that map? There's literally a map over there. But there's a map. But if you guys have heard that song, going like, yeah, that's kind of who I sound like.
Without us, you don't sound like her.
I know. Okay, I'm hiding. But yeah, basically, me and my Diggy sound like her. To promise you guys, I won't even record a video on it. I will try and record a video. And if you guys are like American or whatever, or African or whatever, I'll have the voice on. Because I do not know what language they speak. But I will record a video. And if you don't understand how I speak, I will put on the music so that way if you don't want to listen to me, you can just hear what they're saying. Because I will have cap locks. Oh my god, they're above me. But yeah. But what are you doing? But yeah, that's who we sound like.
Goo.
And yeah, I will pinky promise you guys I will make a video of me doing the voice like her. And if I don't, then I will get better. Because I already understand the song.
You mean the song from 12 years ago?
No, the one from like 7 or 8 months ago.
6 to 8 months ago. There were 2 of them.
Oh yeah, that's right, there are. Hey, yeah. He hasn't found us. He sucks. He's horrible. He's terrible. He's bad. He's bad. He's bad. Imagine if he just dies. Okay, at 70. Bruh. But yeah. Let's go! Let's go! But yeah. That is all for today's video. I will make a video and prove that I do sound like her.
Goo.
There are a bunch of shorts, so you may see it on shorts, but goodbye, like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.